Hello girls, I hope you can see me. I'm really sorry I'm not in today, but Bella's been really poorly in the night, and which is why I look so rough, so apologies for that. But obviously you need to learn a lot in this hour, so this is what you've got to do today. So you need to get yourself a pen and paper and write down these lesson outcomes. So you are going to describe, and that's for a pass, and explain for a merit the batting tactics of your team. So that's the first one. And then the second one is to describe for a pass and explain for a merit your choice of fielding positions. So how we arrange the fielders. So we're looking at the strategies for batting and our batting order, and the strategies for our fielding positioning. So they're the two things that we're learning about today. So the first part of the lesson is I want you to describe the batting order for a pass, and I want you to explain why you put the batters in that order. And you need to write down, you to justify your answer with these things. So I want you to talk about where you put the strongest batters, and if you can, the reasons why. What happens if we take no balls and the effect that has on the people who are batting first, and if you can again say why you chose to put those batters in that particular place. And I also want you to discuss the speed of the runners around the track and whether that would make any difference when you're setting your batting order. So 3 things about where you place your strongest batters and the reasons why, what happens if you get no balls and how that will affect your batting order, and the speed of the runners around the track. So that's the first one. Second one is about your field organisation. So you need to describe your fielding positions, so where you would put them. So if you've got 9 positions, where you would put them. And then for a merit, you've got to say why you chose to put them there. If you chose, for example, to support a first basing, you need to say why. But please remember, what all the fielding positions, what we always do as a school when we play with the schools, is we make sure that we stop them scoring. Remember, it's a game of low scoring, not about getting people out. So that's how you're going to have to justify your answers. So you need to explain your 9 positions, where you've put them and the reasons why. And remember, it's always to do with keeping the score as low as possible. So don't go on the tangent of I'll put someone there to get them out, because that's not why we do it. So I'm going to test you on Friday during period 5. So for the first part of period 5, you are going to do me a little presentation in your pairs, like you were last time, about these 2 things. So, and then the remainder of period 5 and period 6, we are going to go and play a game around us with these 2 teams. And for a distinction, you will have to use your strategies and then analyse whether they worked, given the strengths and the weaknesses during the play. So we'll analyse whether it's worked during the game around us. So I hope that all makes sense. I will miss you lots, and I'll see you on Friday, or I'll probably see you tomorrow. And have a nice lesson, and I shall bring in an extra 2 Easter eggs on Friday, so the winner gets Easter eggs. Alright then, try now. Bye bye bye.